Right, let's do question 15. So if we look at question 15, here we see a triangle and we see two angles inside the triangle, 20 and 38 degrees. We also see straight lines. So let's see what we can use, if we can use those to determine with reasons the size of ACB. Where's ACB? There's A, there's C, there's B. That means we're looking for this angle over there. So one thing that we know, the inside angles of the triangle, they're all equal and sum up to 180 degrees. So we can write down that the angle ACB plus 20 degrees plus 38 degrees, they're all equal to 180. And remember to write down the reason is sum of the angles of a triangle. So that's the reason triangle. That's the reason that we're going to have there. Right, let's work out angle ACB. So to work out ACB, you always have to keep the angle you're looking for on the one side of the equal sign. So here we have the 180. So what we're going to do, here we have plus 20 and plus 38. So let's just add that up. Plus 20 plus 38 gives you 58 degrees. Then we have angle ACB. Now we take the 180 degrees. And now this plus 58, that's here. We want to move this over to the right hand side. And if we move it over to the right hand side, the plus 58 now becomes minus 58 degrees. And if you work that out, 180 minus the 58 gives you 122. And that will be the answer for ACB, which is this one over here. And you write down 122. Let's just do a test. Remember, the inside angles of the triangles all equal 180 degrees. So let's see if it is indeed the case. So if you take, can you calculate the 20 degrees plus 38 degrees plus 122 degrees, that should equal 180. If that's right, then you know this answer here is correct. Right, let's see what else they're asking. So now the next one is we have to work out angle DCE. So where's DCE? There's D, there's C, and there's E. So that means is this angle over here. So again, look at your formula sheet. There you're dealing with vertically opposite angles. There we have the straight line. We have the 122. That means this one here will also equal 122. And you can, the way you write it, you just say angle DCE equals 122 degrees, and the reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Right, let's do the last one. The last one is ACD. So let's look at ACD. Where's this? So there's A, there's C, and there's D. So that means you're looking at this angle over here. So to get that angle, what we need to do, you can see here's a straight line. And remember, the straight line, the formula say the two angles on the straight line, they equal 180. That means the angle we're looking for, this ACD, and write it down, that angle ACD plus this 122, this ACD plus 122, that will give you 180 degrees. And the reason is angles on a straight line. Angles on, you can just write STR line. Let's work out ACD. Keep ACD on one side of the formula. And again, like the previous ones, the plus 122, if it goes over, it becomes minus 122 degrees. To work that out, 180 minus 122, you'll get 58 degrees. So that 58 degrees, that will be this ACD over there. So they didn't ask for this in the exam. Sorry, this is not complete. So we're going to continue. They didn't ask for this. But should they have asked for this one here as well? Now you can see here's a 58, and again you can use vertically opposite angles. That's why this angle here is also 58 degrees.